Hi and welcome back to my channel. This time I have a very special thing from China. And it's a new soldering station. This is my new station and I bought it because I was limited by the T12 tips on the kiosk. And the GEEBOON is a very fresh and new design. And I hope to replace my old station with this one, because you can use the GBC tips and there are a lot of tips that are compatible with this iron. So you can see there are 4 kind of handpieces that you can use, with of course 4 styles of tips. There are 2 that come with the set. It's the 245 and the 210. Everything looks to be good quality. Here you can see the comparison between the T12 and the new 245. They are a lot shorter. So from the handpiece to the working space, the tips are shorter than the T12. So if you hold them in your hand, the handpiece to the workspace is shorter and you have more control. This is an extra cable, so you can ground out any power supply that you are using. This is the base. It's fairly small, but a good size. And this is the iron itself, and it's heavy. It's really heavy. It feels quality, this 305. The difference between this one and the 22 is the linear power supply inside. It's a big toroid transformer. And this is in comparison to the old Caser T12. You have a BV switch and your connections on the back. And you can see the toroid transformer inside. There are no fans, so you don't have any noise. Compared to this one, this button is really flimsy. And it just feels different quality all together. So this one is half a kilo, under half a kilo, and only the unit is around 2 kilos. And if we add the base, it will be 2.5 kilos to ship, and that's a bit of a struggle, because if you order something from China with a big weight, it will cost you a lot. I don't know what it is in the rest of Europe, but this was around 40 euros to ship. The buttons feel nice. They are not rubbery, but hard plastic, but they have a nice indent. The faceplate is also very nice. It's all quality. This feels plastic, but the strain relief feels good. And it's light in the hand, but still you can grip it firmly with soft foam rubber. And I think the control overall is very nice because of the short distance between your workpiece and the handpiece. Also the smaller one, it's very easy to hold, and you can see the control is really something different. The tips are firmly pushed in there, and I don't know about the quality over the years, so it could be that this will loosen up a bit. Which is not a problem, of course. If the handpieces break, you can just order new ones. Now this is one of the tips I ordered with the iron. They are very small, so it's, if you have small SMD components, you can do a lot with this iron. This is the 210, and the 245 is the bigger one. And I think that if you order this iron and you have a normal Weller or normal T12 soldering station, you can order only the 245 and you can do almost anything about soldering. If you go SMD, you can go smaller. And also you can go bigger, but then you need a different station. Here you can see the different solder handpieces. T12 bits, but also the GBC bits. You can use everything on the same soldering station. And this is the TC compared to the TA305. And yeah, it's a big difference. But basically the software is the same and the tips are the same. Of course, this one is heavier because of the linear power supply. It has more buttons on the front, which makes it easier to control. The screen is a bit larger. And this is the TC22. It's a very nice compact package. In the rear the connections are the same, but in the front you can see the screen is a little bit smaller. You have only one circular dial. And its base is also a little bit smaller, so your footprint is smaller on your workbench. But that is what you have to give up for a linear power supply. If you're doing normal solder jobs and you don't care about linear power supplies, I advise you to go with the TC22. It's smaller, it's even powerfuler, more tips, and it's very cheap indeed, because lots of shippers deliver the TC22. Here you can see the screen for the big one, the 305. It's a good screen. You have two modes and a lot of information and a lot of settings. The software is almost the same. You have the same functions in the other one. It's only harder to get to because of the only one dial, and this has good push buttons. The USB port is for firmware upgrades only and does not support charging for your phone. The only thing I don't like about both of those is that you have the power switch on the back. It would be really nice to have a power switch in the front. Here we have the TC22 and the startup time is about the same. They're both very fast with starting and the function menu is the same. The only difference is, of course, you have the push button and the rotary button and you don't have any loose buttons that you can easily switch. The outside is the same. It's the same aluminium, extruded aluminium, and it looks very good. The power cord is also very good quality. Now this is the work time. It's very fast. You can just take up the handpiece and wait a couple of seconds and you're ready to go. There are 3 settings that you can preset, and this is on both stations the same. And you can switch between the 3 settings. And those presets are set for the soldering handpiece. So if you have 3 handpieces, you can have 9 different settings. This is the base, and you can pull out any soldering tips in this holder. Put them away if they're cool enough, and then just switch to another one. Push it in there and go on with your soldering job. It's a very nice feature. Now keep in mind, these are all new, so the large one, like this one, if you want to pull them out, it's a bit hard to do, and you pull up the base as you do it. I think it will loosen up in time, and then it will be easier to do. But it's a very nice base. If you put your hand pieces in there, it will automatically shut off your soldering station in sleep modus, and if you go on with soldering, it will automatically start it up. This is the 212-bit, and it's very tight. It doesn't fall out. You don't need anything to screw it in. It works the same as the GBC bits, but then with your T12 bits. It's a very nice soldering station to upgrade to if you want more bits from GBC, while you already have a lot of T12 bits. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.